Germarel power.
Hello, this is 400 kVA ST-GER series static voltage stabilizer. And this is the label of the power. As you can see, the input voltage and output is just mentioned there. In the device, there is 3 panels that works independently and regulates each phase separately. There is a power analyzer here that you can measure the output voltage also, and output current that you can see, and the power you can measure. And in this panel it gives you RS485 connection. There is a manual bypass switch here. You can say that it's changeover switch also. And these are the power switches of the cards internally, and the analyzer additionally, as you can see here. But I recommend you that don't turn off it when the device is energized. And this is the input breaker of the device. For the panel, you can see that there is an input voltage, output voltage, frequency and load percentage just written. And each phase is mentioned independently. And you can see the mimic diagram is also here. And there are fault lists here for high and low voltage, overload and additional faults. Inside the panel, you can see the warnings here, and the device gives you the warnings depend on the time and date. And these are the tests that we done in the test phase previously. In the settings, you can mute the device, set the date and clock, and change the language depend on it. But the device is already set as English. For the password, if you need, you can just need to contact with us. And now I will show you the regulation of the device depending on the high voltage and low voltage. Okay, now we just start the test with the system. I will just decrease the input voltage and show you the reaction of the device. I am just decreasing the input voltage here, as you can see, and the device is still regulating. When I decrease the input voltage to its regulation range, and use the lows, and when we below the regulation range, you can see the output voltage is low its tolerance, so the device will be off. Contactor is now off position, and depend on it, the warning as red light is lit. You can see the alarm is also mentioned here. And now I am just increasing the input voltage a little to its range again. And in a few seconds the device will be active, and you can see the contactor is on now. The alarm is off. All the alarms just reset. Device now working operationally. And now I am increasing the input voltage to its high limit. Like this. The device is still in tolerance range. It's still one of the phases just giving warning now. And I just increase it a little bit more. And when the output voltage is out of limit, you can see also the alarm just lit, and the contactor is now off position. There is no voltage output. Now I am decreasing the input voltage to its range again. And a few seconds later, the device will be active again. And by the way, below this cover, there is also, you can see the RG45 connection is just installed, and you can just connect the Ethernet from there.
Germarel power.